Day 69 of our 108 Sacred Items. Your air fryer or microwave brings transformation to your modern cooking. Let's start it for innovative energy. Place your both hands or palms near your microwave or air fryer and say softly in your heart, Reiki flow, flow, flow. This infuses your modern tools with harmonizing energy, ensuring that your meals are cooked with ease, precision, and vital transformation. Follow for part 70 to charge your kitchen chimney, the flow of purification and upward cleaning.